Tell about why America came to the Philippines.
Okay. Just about the same time as Philippines was under Spain, so was Cuba. Cuba was as badly treated as the Philippines under Spain. Um, the United States pleaded to Spain to let Cuba go many times, but Spain just would not listen.
Why? What was the reason of pleading?
Because probably they thought that it was too much. It just said that they pleaded. And now, but since Spain would not listen, they had nothing to do, since it was Spain's colony. But then, one time, an American warship patrolling the coast was destroyed near Cuba. And that made the Americans announce that they were making war on Spain. Orders were sent quickly to George Dewey, who was near Philippine waters at the time. He was a high officer at this time already. And a few years after attacking the Spanish at Manila, he became an admiral. But at this time, he was just a high officer. He trained at the Naval Academy in the United States and had been on the Navy for many years. And then he went bravely to Manila, even though he knew that there were underwater mines there. But those mines weren't of any help since they were old. And when the fight began, all the Spanish ships were destroyed because the Spanish ships too were old. But the American ships were new and had far more better shots. He then sent a message to the governor at Manila saying if he did not stop the guns at Manila, he would attack Manila. The guns at once went quiet, and he entered Manila triumphantly. And that's all.
So what was the reason of coming to the Philippines?
Because they waged war on Spain. It wasn't because they wanted to free the Philippines, but it was because Spain was their enemy. And they wanted to destroy their enemy. And they also came to Philippines on May 1, 1889.
So aside from they want to wage war against Spain, their enemy, in your own understanding, what was the reason of the Americas coming to the Philippines?
What?
In your own understanding,
Why did they come?
yes, aside from waging war against Spain and taking all their colonies,
Probably because they wanted allies and they wanted to help.
what else?
Probably they wanted the country too, since after that, they actually bought it from Spain. So there's a chance that they also attacked Spain there because they too wanted the country.